Lucky Christmatch review. Is this game legit or a scam that wastes your time? The app promises a $1,000 payout. Players who tried to claim it describe what happened next as an absolute nightmare. Lucky Christmatch is a festive match 3 puzzle game available on Google Play, published by MS Khalifa. The app wraps itself in Christmas graphics, sparkling lights, and holiday charm to create a feel-good gaming experience. It sits in the casual category, is rated for ages 3 and up, and has accumulated over 10,000 downloads since its release. The gameplay loop is simple. You match holiday-themed tiles across progressively harder levels, accumulating virtual cash balances as you go. The app contains ads and presents itself as a genuine money-earning opportunity alongside its puzzle mechanics. What the listing does not explain clearly is just how many hoops you'll be forced to jump through before any payout is remotely possible. The minimum threshold is not disclosed upfront, and the withdrawal conditions are stacked with requirements that seem designed to prevent completion. The Play Store reviews paint a damning picture. One shopper noted they reached a $1,000 balance only to be told they needed to complete 10 levels, then wait 24 hours, then watch 50 ads, complete 50 more levels, and wait another 48 hours. With 3 additional stages still remaining after all of that, another customer described the submit button for their payout doing absolutely nothing when pressed, as if it had been deliberately deactivated. A third reviewer called the whole structure a scam outright, saying the process never ends regardless of how far you progress. Lucky Christmatch is suited only to someone who genuinely enjoys match 3 games and places no expectation on actually receiving money. Now for the pros and cons. The game features cheerful holiday graphics and an accessible casual format. It is free to download. The match 3 gameplay is easy to pick up for all ages. The festive theme adds a seasonal appeal that casual players may enjoy. The app is rated suitable for all ages and carries no upfront cost. The negatives are substantial. Payout conditions are layered, complex, and appear designed to be impossible to complete. Multiple reviewers confirm the withdrawal process does not function in practice. The developer has no established reputation or verifiable track record. No minimum threshold or payout terms are disclosed before download. Real cash rewards appear to be effectively unattainable for the vast majority of players.